students. Today we are going to study chemical reactions of aldehydes and ketones. In this first reaction is aldol condensation reaction. The term aldol is derived from two words. The first one is aldehyde and second one is alcohol. From this aldehyde we have taken ALD and from alcohol OL, and there is formation of term aldol. This aldol contains both the functional group, that is aldehyde means CHO and alcohol means OH. So this is meaning of aldol. Now condensation. In general condensation reaction, what happens? Two or more similar or different small molecules. Two or more similar or different small molecules combines with each other and there is formation of large molecule. Okay, two or more similar or different small molecules combines with each other and there is formation of large molecule. Here there is also formation of some simple molecules like NH3, H2O, HCl and ROH. These small molecules may be formed or may not be formed. This one is called as aldol condensation reaction. So aldehydes and ketones undergo this aldol condensation reaction. But which aldehydes and ketones? The aldehydes and ketones which contain alpha hydrogen atom. The aldehydes and ketones which contain alpha hydrogen atom undergo this aldol condensation reaction. So what is this alpha hydrogen atom? I will write here one example. This one is acetaldehyde or ethanol. Here this one is carbonyl group. This one is carbonyl carbon. The carbon which is adjacent to the carbonyl carbon is called as alpha carbon atom. And the hydrogen present on the alpha carbon atom are called as alpha hydrogen atom. Next example, acetone. In case of acetone, this one is carbonyl group, carbonyl carbon and two alpha carbon atoms are there. Okay, and on these two alpha carbon atoms there is presence of alpha hydrogen atoms. The third example is formaldehyde. In case of formaldehyde, there is no any presence of alpha carbon atom and alpha hydrogen atom. So this acetaldehyde, acetone undergoes aldol condensation reaction, but this formaldehyde do not undergo aldol condensation reaction due to the absence of alpha carbon atom and alpha hydrogen atoms. Okay, so I will write here overall reaction of aldol condensation. Here we have to take two molecules of aldehyde. Two molecules of aldehyde, okay, containing alpha hydrogen atoms. When two molecules of aldehyde containing alpha hydrogen atom combines with each other in presence of base. Which base? Here we have to take dilute NaOH. We can also take potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, barium hydroxide. Okay, two molecules of aldehyde containing alpha hydrogen atom in presence of base like dilute NaOH, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide or barium hydroxide. Okay, this combines with each other and there is formation of aldol. Okay, this aldol is also called as beta hydroxy aldehyde. Okay, this aldol is also called as beta hydroxy aldehyde. This beta hydroxy aldehyde is highly unstable species. Highly unstable. Okay, when heat is supplied to this aldol, it undergoes dehydration reaction. Dehydration means removal of water molecule, and aldol undergoes dehydration reaction in presence of heat and dilute acids. Okay, and aldol undergoes dehydration reaction and there is formation of product, that is enol. Yes, what is meant by this enol? means presence of carbon-carbon double bond, and Al means CHO group. Okay. These enol are also called as alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes. Alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes. Okay. Here we have taken two molecules of aldehyde containing alpha hydrogen atoms. Here we will take two molecules of ketones. Okay, two molecules of ketone containing alpha hydrogen. When two molecules of ketone containing alpha hydrogen combine with each other in presence of base like NaOH, KOH, calcium hydroxide, or barium hydroxide, there is formation of ketol. This ketol is also called as beta hydroxyketone. Okay, this ketol is also called as beta hydroxyketone. It undergoes dehydration reaction, means removal of water molecule in presence of heat and dilute acid. Okay, what happens over here? There is formation of enone. E-N-O-N. Yes, what is meant by this enone? Enone means there is presence of, in the molecule, there is presence of carbon-carbon double bond and also ketonic group. Okay. This enone is also called as alpha beta unsaturated ketone. This enone is also called as alpha beta unsaturated ketone. So this one is aldol condensation reaction, in which two small molecules of aldehyde or ketone combines with each other and there is formation of aldol or ketone. Okay. Then after, there is removal of water molecule. Here in the condensation reaction, there is removal of water molecule and there is formation of enol from aldol and enone from ketone. So this one is general information about aldol condensation reaction. Now I will write here reaction of aldol condensation. While writing reaction, I will take example of acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. This one is acetaldehyde. We have to take two molecules of acetaldehyde. Okay. Here for this CH3, I will write here as CH2 and hydrogen. Okay. So this one is carbonyl group. This one is carbonyl carbon, carbonyl oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative than this carbon atom. So on oxygen, there is partial negative charge. Okay, and on carbon atom there is partial positive charge. Okay, in case of this molecule, this one is carbonyl group, carbonyl carbon, and the carbon which is adjacent to the carbonyl carbon is called as alpha carbon atom. And what happens in the aldol condensation reaction? Alpha carbon atom of one molecule will attach with the carbonyl carbon of another molecule. Here, when hydrogen removed as H plus, CH2 minus is there, this minus will form a bond with this electrophilic center and this hydrogen will combine with this oxygen. Okay, and there is formation of product. Here, this reaction is carried out in presence of dilute NaOH or KOH or barium hydroxide or calcium hydroxide. Okay, so two molecules of acetaldehyde combines with each other and there is formation of aldol. I will write the product from this end, here CH3. Okay, then single bond C, here single bond OH, here CH. Here this alpha carbon atom is linked with this carbonyl carbon, here single bond CH2, here carbon double bond O and hydrogen. Okay, this molecule is called as aldol. Okay. Okay, another name for this aldol is, this one is the carbonyl carbon. carbon adjacent to it is alpha and this one is beta, that is beta hydroxyaldehyde. The another name for this compound is beta hydroxyaldehyde. Okay. One more name for this compound is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms are there, so we can also write in common, that is beta hydroxy butyraldehyde, butyraldehyde. This one is beta hydroxy butyraldehyde. IUPAC name for this compound 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms are there. Numbering should start from this end 1, 2, 3, and 4. At third position there is presence of hydroxyl group, so we can write 3 hydroxy. 4 carbon atoms is but. Then these carbon atoms are linked with each other, means linked with each other by carbon-carbon single bond. So N and aldehyde group Al. So 3 hydroxy butanol. Okay. In this way, the reaction, 2 molecules of acetaldehyde or ethanol combines with each other in presence of bases like dilute NaOH or KOH or barium hydroxide or calcium hydroxide, and there is formation of aldol or beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxybutyraldehyde or 3 hydroxybutanol. Okay, this aldol is highly unstable species. So what happens in presence of heat? When heat is supplied to the aldol in presence of dilute acid, there is dehydration reaction, means aldol undergoes dehydration reaction, means removal of water molecule in presence of heat and dilute acid. Here dehydration occurs. This one is alpha carbon atom. I will write this CH2 as CH and here H. Okay. When hydrogen is removed as H plus, this bond shift over here. Okay. And when this bond shift over here, formation of double bond is there. The bond in between carbon and oxygen shift over here. There is formation of OH minus. Here H plus, here OH minus. There is formation of H2O, and there is formation of double bond in between this and this carbon atom. So here the product is CH3, here CH, double bond CH, then single bond C, double bond O and H. This product is also called as enal. E-N-A-L. Why enal? Because there is presence of carbon-carbon double bond in between this and this carbon atom. Okay, so in, and there is presence of aldehyde group, so Al. Okay, this compound, the common name for this compound is crotonaldehyde. The common name for this compound is crotonaldehyde. Okay. One more name for this compound, this one is carbonyl carbon, this one is alpha, and this one is beta carbon atom. So we can also write this compound as alpha, beta, unsaturated aldehydes. Okay. This one is also called as alpha, beta, unsaturated aldehyde. Okay. We can also write IUPAC name for this one. How many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3 and 4. At carbon number second, there is presence of carbon-carbon double bond. So we can write here as 2. 4 carbon atom is but, double bond means in and Al. This one is called as 2-butanol. We can also write this compound as but, 2 in, 1 Al or Al. But, 2 enol. Okay. So this one is the aldol condensation reaction. Okay, there are certain structural criteria for this aldol. This one is product aldol, and here 4 structural criteria are there. So which are these 4 structural criteria? Okay, this aldol is a larger molecule which is formed by combination of 2 small molecules and formation of single bond in between this carbon and this carbon. So this one is the larger molecule. Okay. The second structural criteria is that the alpha carbon atom of one molecule will combine with the carbonyl carbon of another molecule. Okay, this one is the second structural criteria. The third structural criteria is that This aldol contain both the functional groups. Which functional groups? That OH and CHO. That is alcohol and aldehyde. This aldol contain both the functional groups. And the fourth structural criteria is that the hydroxyl group, that is OH, is always present on the beta carbon atom or the second carbon atom from this carbonyl carbon. This one is first and this one is second. So this one is the fourth structural criteria for this aldol. So this one is the aldol condensation reaction. One more thing I want to explain here is that when aldol is heated, it undergoes dehydration reaction and hydrogen is removed only from this alpha carbon atom. It is not removed from this carbon atom, because on this carbon atom also there is presence of 3 hydrogen atoms, but it is not removed from here. If it is removed from here, there is formation of less substituted alkene, and less substituted alkene are less stable than that of more substituted alkene. So the product is this one and not the less substituted alkene. Okay, so this one is the reaction of aldol condensation. Now we will study mechanism of aldol condensation reaction. This aldol condensation reaction is a reversible reaction. Reversible reaction. We have taken example of acetaldehyde. Here CH3, C double bond O and H. The name for this compound is acetaldehyde or ethanol. Okay. For the CH3, I will write here as CH2 and here hydrogen atom. This hydrogen atom is alpha hydrogen because this one is carbonyl carbon. The carbon which is adjacent to the carbonyl carbon is alpha carbon atom, and the hydrogen which is present on the alpha carbon atom is alpha hydrogen atom, and these hydrogens are highly acidic in nature. Highly acidic in nature. Why they are highly acidic in nature? Due to the presence of electron withdrawing group, that is C double bond OH. Okay, means these hydrogens are easily available in the reaction as H plus. So here arrow for reversible reaction. This acetaldehyde will react with dilute NaOH. We can also use various bases like KOH, calcium hydroxide or barium hydroxide. So what is the role of this dilute NaOH? It will provide OH minus ion in the reaction. Means it will provide basic medium for the reaction. This OH minus ion form a bond with this hydrogen. Okay, it will form a bond with this hydrogen. Means the bond in between this carbon and hydrogen migrates over here, shift over here, and there is formation of CH2 minus. Okay, this OH minus abstract BH plus ion form here, and there is formation of carbon minus. So here I will write CH2, here minus charge, single bond, C double bond O and H. This one is called as carbanion. Carbanion means anion. Anion means negative charge. Okay, negative charge on the carbon is called as carbanion. Okay, this one is also called as enolate ion. Okay, what is by enolate ion? When alpha hydrogen of any aldehyde or ketone is removed, okay, there is formation of one anion, and that anion is called as enolate ion. Okay, this one is also nucleophile. Nucleophiles are the electron-rich species. So, what is further reaction? This attack of this nucleophile on the second molecule of acetaldehyde. Here I would write second molecule of acetaldehyde. Okay, this one is carbonyl group. Here oxygen is more electronegative than this carbon atom. It will attract the electron towards itself. So on the carbon atom there is partial positive charge. Okay, so now this one is the electrophilic center and this one is the nucleophile. So this nucleophile will attack on this electrophile and there is formation of, I'll write the product from this side, CH3, here carbon. When this CH2 binds over here, the bond in between carbon and oxygen shift on the oxygen. Here carbon, here O minus. Okay, here CH as it is. This CH2 bind with this CH, CH2, then C double bond OH, C double bond OH. Okay, this one is the intermediate. Okay, the next step. The next step is, in the reaction, water molecule is also there. Here H and OH, that is H2O. Water molecule is also there. Water is a polar molecule. It will form H plus and OH minus. This H plus will combine with this negatively charged oxygen, and there is formation of here CH3, here CH, here OH, then here CH2, and here C double bond O and H. The name of this compound is aldol. Why aldol? Because there is presence of alcohol and aldehyde. This one is also called as beta hydroxyaldehyde. The name of this compound is beta hydroxyaldehyde. We can also write beta hydroxybutyraldehyde, and the IUPAC name for this compound is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms means, and at the first, second, third carbon atom there is presence of hydroxy group. So this one is 3-hydroxy butanol, butanal. Okay, Al for aldehyde. Okay, so this one is the aldol. This aldol is very unstable species. It very easily undergoes dehydration reaction. Dehydration means removal of water molecule. Here minus H2O. Here this one is carbonyl carbon, this one is alpha carbon atom, and this one is beta carbon atom. I will write this CH2 as CH and here H. Here H plus is removed, and this bond in between carbon and hydrogen and carbon shift over here, form double bond in between this and this carbon atom. Okay, and bond in between this carbon and oxygen shift over here. Okay, here OH minus will form, here H plus, and there is formation of H2O, and here product is CH3, here CH, double bond CH, double bond C, double bond OH. The name of this compound is enal. ANAL. Why enal? In due to this carbon-carbon double bond, and Al due to this aldehyde group. The common name for this compound is crotonaldehyde. Okay. The IUPAC name for this compound is, here how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms, and the carbon-carbon double bond is present on second carbon atom. So I will write here 2 but, carbon-carbon double bond means in, and due to the aldehyde Al. This one is 2-butanol. Okay. We can also call this compound as, this one is carbonyl carbon, this one is alpha, and this one is beta. Alpha, beta unsaturated aldehydes. The name of this compound is alpha, beta unsaturated aldehydes. So this one is the mechanism of aldol condensation reaction. Okay, this one is the reversible reaction. Here the first molecule of acetaldehyde reacts with the base. Okay, base abstract the hydrogen from here, that is alpha hydrogen, and there is formation of carbanion. This carbanion is also called as enolate ion, and this one is the nucleophile. The second one is, the second step of the reaction is this nucleophile attack on the electrophilic center, means that on the carbonyl carbon of the another molecule, and there is formation of this intermediate. Okay. Third step is protonation of this intermediate. Here in the reaction, water is there, H plus and OH minus. Here H plus combines with this O minus, and there is formation of aldol. Okay. Aldol undergoes dehydration reaction in presence of heat and dilute acid, and there is formation of enal. Okay, this enal is also called as crotonaldehyde or 2-butanol or alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So this one is the mechanism of aldol condensation reaction.